Yes. Welcome to the Plarty. And today we're gonna have some fun because I'm going to draw Mario. Yes. First we start dreaming, then we go sketching, then we go shaping, then we go work it out, and then we go finishing it off, and then we have a very nice drawing. So here we go. First I'm going for the big shapes, a little bit like this, and all my lines are false. That is what dreaming is, because we need a lot of false lines to find the best shapes ever. And I really want it to go really well, so you have to dream a lot. Never start with sketching, always start with dreaming. And if you dream, you're inside the chaos. Look, big shapes. The mustache looks a little bit like this, I think. Look. hmm Go for this shape. And I'm really searching, but it feels like playing. It's not annoying of, it's just having fun. And if you're not having fun, please wait and go back to your drawing, and please try to have fun, because if you want to make art, you have to make fun. You really do. You have to enjoy this whole process of drawing, coloring, whatever you do on paper. But if you like it, you will learn very quickly and create your own style. And that's the most important thing, your own style. Because if you want to make art, you need to do it in your own style, not to copy it, copy paste, but create, really create, like nature does. Your own shapes, and then you will be very creative and will be inspired every day, because you can draw and make everything you want in your own style. Look, this is my dream picture. Maybe, and now inside my dream, I'm going to sketch. So I'm going to sketch. I think I make this a little bit smaller, this a little bit bigger. So take your time, because we have all the time in the world, because this is my place. And you need to be free in this place, because if you're not free over here on this piece of paper, then there is no place to be free, because drawing is like using your imagination in your head. But this is on paper drawing. But it's the same thing. Imagination and drawing exactly the same. But imagination is inside the head in drawing, of course. On paper. Wow. Look at this. This is Mario. No doubt about it. It's really true. The hands, you look. You can draw everything at once, but it will never have the nice shape that you could have. It's always more like a copy than an artwork, a real creation. Like a tree is growing or a flower. It needs time. We have to complete the circle. This is how a tree grows or a flower grows. And you can compare a flower of everything in nature with a piece of art. Same thing. So I'm searching and finding. That's what sketching is, eh? Searching, finding. Sketching is in the middle. So I think I'm going to yeah, I'm going to step 3, shaping. I'm going to shape and I'm going to do it with, of course, pen, black pen. And I try to do it very nice, but I can make mistakes because I love my own art, because I love myself. Isn't that nice? Well, so far so good. Eyebrows. Oh, let's make it black. Don't be afraid. Just do it. Ear. Mm, a little bit hair. The eyes, yes. Let's make it like this. You see, I don't really correct. I can do it if I want to make it perfect. But art is never perfect. Do never forget that. Because art is the work of humans. And I hope you are human. So you are able to create art if you do not correct all the lines. This is it. Because if you want to learn how to make art, you need to learn to be proud of every thing you make on your paper. This is really the first step. And appreciate what you're doing, because if you weren't there, or maybe I can do it like this. It's better. If you was yeah, like this, and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Oh yeah, drawing is so nice. What a big surprise. I'm drawing Mario. Ho 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 ho. Whatever. Yep. Shaping, shaping, shaping. So still step 3. You can also draw a nice background, foreground. That's up to you. So now we're going to work it out. And first I'd like to do this. You can do it in your own way, but this is my way. So look at this. A little bit of shading and I'm going to finish it. Yeah, not too much. Do not overdo this. It's really not necessary. Don't make it too difficult. Not yet. Just enjoy every step. So a little bit darker over here. And Mario is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.